Hey guys, so in today's tutorial video I'm going to be showing you how to log in to your Ethereal dashboard if you are a new user. So some people, when they register newly, they find it difficult to log into their account. So first thing first, I want you to know that it is quite easy. All you need to do is make sure your coach or the person who registered you sent you a link like this. Let me show you. Okay, so once you have a link like this is it. I want you to take note of the link: etherealweb.site/sign in. This is the link you need. So what you need to do is copy the link, select, you copy it, then you go to your browser. All right, I am using Google Chrome for this because I know a lot of people use Google Chrome. So when you come to your browser here, at the top here, you tap in there and you paste the link. You paste the link there. When you paste the link, then you press enter or go. When you do that, it will appear on this page. All right, so this is the page where you will now put your login details, your username and your password. But for some people, they always, when they click that link, they find themselves around here. All right, they find themselves here and they are now wondering, they will now start filling their names, email, and the next thing they will start asking for access code. This is not where you should be logging in from. This is for registration, and only the person who is registering you can get on this page and use it. Okay, so what you need to do when you find yourself here is to go down the page down and you will see what? Sign in. Did you see that? Sign in. When you get to that sign in, you put in your username and your password. So my own has already been saved on my browser, right? So I will just click on what? Login. When I click on login, it will show me this place. This is not my dashboard, right? But you will notice this button here that says dashboard. This button. So this is the button you will tap on. You will be careful when tapping on this button, because when you tap on it, it will redirect you to another page. So I'm going to show you how to close that redirection or that pop-up or advert that you see. So when you tap on it, okay, my own did not redirect me. My own did not redirect me because I have logged in several times. Okay, but whenever yours redirects you, let me show you what you're going to do. Let me try again if it will redirect me. It did not redirect me. Okay, but whenever it redirects you, maybe it opens another page that you don't understand, that doesn't look like the screenshot that your coach sent you. All right, you see this box here that has number. It has number on it. This number represents how many pages you have opened on your browser, right? So when you tap on it, it will show all the pages you have opened on your browser. All you just need to do is tap on this cross star sign here to close it. You understand? You just close it. When you close it, you come back to your Ethereal page. You tap on it to come back to the page. Then you tap on the dashboard again. If it redirects you again, you do the same thing to close the redirection. If it redirects you, you do the same thing to close the redirection. You keep doing it until you get into your dashboard like this. Okay, so that is all for this video. Or before I go, then when you get into your dashboard like this, if your currency is in dollars, you just tap on this white arrow there, that white arrow. Okay, you tap on it, it will bring out this page. Then you tap on the USD that you see there, you select what? Naira. Once you do that, everything will turn to Naira. Then you select OK. All right, so that is how to get into your dashboard. I hope this video was useful. If you are watching on YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe. If you are watching on Instagram, don't forget to follow me. If you are watching on TikTok, please do not forget to follow. And if you want to reach me to register you, please look in the description below on YouTube to get my details on how you can reach me on WhatsApp, or you go to my TikTok page, take my WhatsApp number from the bio and WhatsApp me, then I'll register you. Okay, I'll see you in my next video.